Alright, I'm going to talk about the order of operations. I'm just wondering whether you heard of BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS, okay, ignore the O in this case. B stands for brackets. Alright, D stands for divide. M stands for multiply. A stands for add. And S stands for subtract. Okay, so what we do is to work out the brackets first. Work out the expressions within the brackets. So let me just write short. Work the brackets. Oh, okay, let me just be more accurate. Work. Okay, this is multiply. Work the expressions in the brackets. Okay, that's number one. Okay, two. Okay, you can see BODMAS comes first, so B comes first, so B stands for brackets. You work the expressions in the brackets first. Okay, followed by division and multiplication. Okay, division and multiplication, you can actually treat it as a group. So in order of priority, division and multiplication comes after brackets. So you do multiplication or division from left to right, whichever term you see first. From left to right. Alright, and then third, of course, is add and subtract. Okay, finally you do add and subtract. Add or subtract from left to right, whichever term comes first. From left to right. So let me just give you an example here of how BODMAS actually works. Okay, let's see, 30 minus 18 divided by minus 6 plus minus 3 times minus 5. Okay, let's perform multiplication and division first before addition and subtract. In this case, you know, the brackets have already been worked out for you. There you go, minus 5 is as simplified as it can be. Okay, so the very next step would be 30. Now, let's do this and this first. Alright, okay, let's simplify it further. Minus 18 divided by minus 6. Let's remove the brackets. Okay, plus minus 3 times minus 5. I can just put the brackets, just combine it like that. Okay, and then I will get, okay, let's do this right now. Minus 18 divided by minus 6, you get positive 3. Okay, plus negative 3 times negative 5, you get 15. And your answer will be 48. Okay, so this is an example of how BODMAS is done.